Okay, here we go. Tuesday's notes. Quadratic word problems. All right, first off, here's what a quadratic looks like, the function of a quadratic. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And today's word problems are going to be related to just the vertex of a quadratic. All right, so we're not going to be doing any factoring. It's all going to be related to vertex. The vertex, it contains an x and a y coordinate. Each one of those coordinates is related to a specific topic in the problem. Based on whatever the question is asking you, you might only be looking for the x value, which you would find by doing the opposite of b over 2a. Or you might only be looking for the y value, which means you take that answer from x and you plug it back into the function, and that will give you that answer. So you have to pay attention to what the question is asking for, and then you have to determine, well, does that specific thing relate to the x value, or does it relate to the y value? And then you solve it. Be mindful that sometimes there's other variables that are used in place of an x and a y. For example, here we've got an h and a t. Now the h and the t, they're being used in reference to height and time, where of course the h would be your height and the t would represent time. Notice where they're located. What variable is typically in this place? The y value. So the h would have represented the y value, while the t, the one that's in the function, would relate to the x value. So the vertex would be represented by t first and then the h in place of x and y. And that would tell you the maximum height of the object, the h, and then also the amount of time that it takes to get to that maximum height. So if you find the vertex of a word problem that's given with this function, you'd be able to figure out just how long it takes that specific item to get to its maximum height and then what the actual maximum height is.